Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna be testing this rope chainsaw that I bought from Amazon for $29.99. The chainsaw has blades on both sides. Because I'm planning to cut high-reach tree branches, having blades on both sides was a necessity for me. I have two huge river birch trees on my front yard and I need to cut them down. If you're new to this channel, I have a video on my YouTube channel how I was trying to cut high-reach tree branches using this 26-foot pruning saw. But some of the tree branches I wasn't able to cut using this pruning saw, and this is why I bought rope chainsaw. So this is a tree branch that I cut with a pruning saw, and let's see how fast I can cut this thick tree branch using pocket chainsaw. As you can see, sometimes a pocket chainsaw stuck and you need to let it go and start over again. The first test was really good in my opinion. Let's try to cut one more time, but this time let's cut a bit thicker tree branch. The pocket chainsaw didn't stuck this time, which is really good. This is how thick was the last tree branch. Let's put this rope chainsaw to the test. For the throwing weight pouch bag, I use one door hinge. I cannot throw this bag at that height, so I'm using a pruning saw. And now I can connect the second end of the pocket chainsaw to the rope. As you can see, sometimes a pocket chainsaw stuck. It is much easier to cut with a rope chainsaw when you have someone to help you. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.